slow, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Yo, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Oh my goodness, like I always say, today's gonna be freaking exciting. It is 100% official. I reached 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you guys that's been following the channel, you know, that's pays attention to my goofiness. But yeah, we're at 1,000 and I already have my watchtowers, which means I'm getting monetized. I'm in the process of it right now. So it's all happening. I'm freaking excited. I couldn't do it without you guys. So yeah, so today's a video basically, you know, saying thanks, you know, to reaching that 1,000. So basically giving you guys some updates, much needed updates, and give you guys an idea as to what the channel is going to be looking like moving forward. Just freaking pumped. So just starting right off the bat, I'm going to be making a guarantee. You guys got to hold me to this, but my obviously not this week, but hopefully starting by next week, I am going to be doing 2 videos a week. I'm going to be doing everything I can to be dropping or posting at least by Tuesday and Friday. So therefore, you know, I should stay with the content, showing up, you know, so that's the plan with that. And then you know, we reached 1,000, so it is a milestone, but it's taken a while to get here, but I'm happy. And so I'm gonna be coming out with a limited drop. I mean, this is super limited, and you guys are gonna have to comment and hit me up, but I'm thinking like 10 custom shirts I'm gonna make. 10, and I'm gonna be giving them away. So very, very, very limited. You know, so if you're an OG subscriber, I'm gonna come up with something. You'll have to be following on my Instagram, the life. I'll put it down right here, life __of Frankie, and I'll be putting, you know, on my Instagram, basically, if you want to get one of the shirts, limited drop, the 1K. Like I'm telling you, literally, unless I get blown up for shirts, which I highly doubt it. But for those real OGs, I'm gonna make a limited drop, literally 10 shirts. So I know it's small, but I mean, we're still a small channel. So with that being said, I'm excited. I'm gonna be, you know, getting with my buddy, making a custom logo. And as for today, we're in the AMG right now. I'm gonna be giving you guys a Corvette update. I'm currently going to spend, like I said, thousands of dollars. You know, like I said, I gotta buy some parts, and then at the same time, we're gonna go do an update on the Corvette. If everything goes well, we should have it back by next week, and so I'm freaking pumped about that. So stay tuned. Yeah, let's get into today. Let's do it. Legit having to get my E85 like crazy because this lady blocked. She didn't want to move when I was waiting, so I have it all stretched. Some people, Karens. So I pulled up to get E85, and I'm sitting here waiting, and there's someone there, and then this old lady comes up in her truck and starts waiting at the same pump. So when the car moves, I naturally move to the side so that I can sit there and you know, go up. And she starts pulling in. I keep telling her, I'm like, no, I was here first. So she pulls up halfway and blocks so that I can't get in. So I still park, get my E85. Forget this old. Here she is right here, just blocking half of it, but I still got my gas, so we're good. Old bag. And yeah, just left the parts store over here at Hedrick's Chevrolet in Clovis to get this big old box, because basically I need this little line, which is ridiculous. So I bought a master cylinder, a brand new one, just to do it because we're already in there, high mileage, why not, right? Buy a master cylinder, Rock Auto, love Rock Auto, got a great price. Shows up, got a new slave cylinder, okay, because I'm doing the clutch. Well, the line that connects the slave cylinder to the master cylinder has a quick disconnect in it. And so I was like, okay, I should be able to cut the master cylinder, slave cylinder off the master cylinder line, and then replace it with the new stuff. So did all that, and the issue is that my the tube or the wire that comes, I got not a wire, I guess it's a hose that comes, the pressure line that comes from the master cylinder to the new slave, the collar is messed up, so I can't seal the quick disconnect on it, so I had to buy a new one. Well, my luck, GM doesn't sell that hose separately. You can't buy it, so you have to buy a new master cylinder, which I did, but the one I bought doesn't come with that. And all your local parts stores, the one you buy doesn't come with that, except for when you buy the $300 one. Every other one is under $100, but the one with the line, $300. So I just got done, gave me a little discount, paid $280 for this stupid line that I already bought the damn master cylinder. So now on our way to the Corvette, so I can give you guys a little update, and hopefully we get this thing on the road. Had to pay a little extra money, but I'm trying to get this thing back. I could have bought it on Rock Auto with the line for half the price. At $160 out the door shipping is like $180, so I save $100, but I would have had to wait two and a half weeks. So I said screw it, spend the $100, get it done way sooner. So all right, I'll see you guys at the shop. I got about a 30-minute drive to the shop. Sheesh. Here we are, the torque tube, that's on, we drop, clutch, transmission, and we got the old ones that are all beat up, damaged. Here you go, the torque tube, you can see in there's just messed up, and the inner guts beat up. So yeah, I got the new main seal on, rear main, and then we got the new line going in. This is what I was talking about that was damaged on mine. That's not reusable. Me and my buddy scarred it up way too much. So there's that. But yeah, she'll be back on the ground soon. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. Sheesh. Couple days. Then right here you can see where I had cut it off. And then this is the one where I bought, but it doesn't have the other hose on it, so it's a waste of money. The bad rear main. Crazy. Bunch of waste of money. Tranny ready to go. Yeah, so over here at Automotive Pros, they're taking care of me. They've taken care of a few of my cars, and I always give them shout outs and tell people and refer them over here. They always do good work. If you're in this area, Fresno, Madera, Clovis, Automotive Pros, they get you right. They're honest. That's all that really matters when you come to a mechanic shop. They get it done and they're honest. So yeah, but like I said, that's your update with the Corvette. Hopefully she'll be back on the ground running by this weekend. And so we got some more things to do to her once it comes down. But yeah, sheesh, look how nasty that looks. Nasty. Gotta get new mounts. Oh, that is blown. We gotta get a new one. So all right, little by little, that'll be next. Okay, so that's basically gonna do it for today's video. Man, I am freaking pumped to see the basically being behind the wheel again of the Corvette. You know, that's freaking exciting. Jesus, broke the bank, but once that's done, everything's gonna be pretty much ready to go. I do need to get a differential mount. That's about it. That thing's toast. But yeah, other than that, we're good to go. We're gonna end it here. Stay tuned. We got a lot more content coming. Lots more content. I'm gonna be posting a lot more. So yeah, just gotta say thanks again. You guys don't understand how happy I am to making it to that 1,000 mark. You know, I really appreciate everybody, and just stay tuned. Let's build this channel together. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go. You.